Welcome back, hoteliers. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up digital check-in and how to manage your reservations. This is super useful and important for you and your guests to make sure that you have a quick and easy check-in process and that you have all the necessary documentations and they have all the necessary information about their stay prior to arrival. And so you avoid extra long reception times. So we'll do all of this on the My Admin page. There are three ways in which you can add your reservations into the My Admin system. First off, let's get out of the way. If you use a property management system, then you can do so by going to Guest Connections. And if you are connected with Booking.com, you can connect via Booking Suite and it'll synchronize all your reservations onto the My Admin page. Or if you have another property management system, we have some that are the most common ones and other ones. You can add those to request an integration. If those don't apply to you, no worries. You can use our reservation system, which you can either you upload it via Excel if you use spreadsheets as a database for your reservations, or you can manually upload the reservation. The manual uploading is super helpful if you get a last minute reservation. You can always add that. So let's say we're using an Excel sheet. Here I have a sample Excel sheet. It just has the guest's name, the date of their arrival, departure, phone number, email, and country. This country column is super important so that we can cater our automated SMS messages, either international or local, based on where our hotel is located and where they are located. So we ask that you add this column if you're using a database via Excel, so that you have all of that ready for your SMS. So let's just select the file. Here it is. I'm just going to choose that and upload it. And then now I'll see it's all there on the My Admin page. I just have to align my columns as so. So I would put name, surname, from, to, phone number, email, country, and you can also include the address if you'd like. It's really up to what you need. And then I'm gonna get an error message because I just need to add the plus sign. But then it'll get confirmation saying all rows are correct. And now I have my guest checked in here. So the other way is the manual. So let's just create a new reservation. So we're just going to call this as a test one. So I just add name, phone number, email, and then country, information about their stay. So this is all information that you would already have. Let's say they called in and made a last minute reservation. And number of adults. And then if you offer breakfast, you can turn that on. And we just save that. And now that is there. And here we have all of this information. Once they make their reservation, you can have also a reservation ID. It says the check-in status is pending right now. That's why there's 3 dots. There's 3 people that need to be checked in. You can send a manual message to them. You can edit the reservation or delete it. And they all have a unique MyStay ID. So let me show you what it's like on the end of the guest. So for the guests, before we get to that, I just want to make sure I also point out that in order to have check-in available digitally, you'll have to activate check-in on the guest web. You can also activate on the mobile app. And then also make sure you include your terms and conditions, since that's going to be shown to them when it comes to the point for them to sign. They're going to sign off on your terms and conditions. So make sure you just add something. You might already have that. Okay, so once we do all of that, the guest gets an email like this. It just says, hi, in the guest's name, thank you for choosing to stay at our hotel. Learn more about it with their link. And then see you soon by our staff. Again, the same chats are available, calling the hotel, the useful info is there, and the selected offers. So let's go ahead and explore now. Once we click so, we have all of our information. So it says we're staying for 4 nights, 2 people, and I can do check-in now. So what the guest does is they put in their personal information, nationality, date of birth, and they just click that date, put in their ID passport number, that way you have all of that. They put in their contact info, email, and then country of residence. This is important for the language. And then their address. And then the purpose of their stay, we ask for if it's tourism or business. And then they have to agree on that. MyStay can collect their data for the check-in. And then here's the terms and conditions that you have. They agree to that. Then they have to do a signature. And they click finish. And now it says 1 check-in is complete. The guest's name says the status has been sent, and it's they can add another person, do their next guest, or they can see their check-in cards with all the information. They can also share this to their other guests or get the link to it. And then now if we go to our My Admin page, we go to our dashboard. Now we have a guest check-in, and it says the status of it, 1 was completed. There's still another one for the one other child still remaining. And so now we can also download these check-in cards. You can download them all, or you can edit them if you need to. So if we download it, it'll come up with its own unique reservation information. So now we have all of this available. You can either print this out or save it to your desktop. So that's all you need to know about reservation and digital check-in. We hope this makes all of the check-in process easy for both you and your guests so that it's all in one place and available at a moment's notice. We hope you found this video helpful and take advantage of digital check-in. Have a great day.